In today's session on data science, we are going to see about the lecture 4, Introduction to Numpy. What is this Numpy? Numpy is nothing but numerical Python. It is a general purpose array processing package which is suitable for a single dimensional and multi-dimensional array objects. So it has a fundamental package. So for scientific computing with Python, it is an open source software, so it could be used freely. So this package has been invented in 2005 by Travis Oliphant, and it has inbuilt domains for linear algebra, Fourier transform, and matrices. Moving on to the Numpy features, it is a powerful n-dimensional array object with sophisticated functions. It has tools for integrating the C, C++, and Fortran code with a base of linear algebra, Fourier transform, and random number capabilities. Introduction to Numpy. So usually if you could see in Python, we have list as well as arrays, but we prefer arrays over list. Why? It is because Numpy provides an array object that is 50x times faster than the Python list. So the array object in Numpy is called as ND array. Since it provides a lot of supporting functions, that makes its working with ND array is very easy. So arrays are frequently used in data science where the speed and the resources are quite important. Now let us analyze how the Numpy are faster than the Python list by a small code. So if you could take here, we have given one plot for a Python list and one for a Numpy array, where the x-axis or the x label is in terms of size of the array and list, and in terms of logarithmic scale, and the y-axis in terms of execution time. So when a graph has been plotted, it is found that the Numpy array, which is shown in orange color, works faster when compared to the Python list. Now if you could see the computation speed comparison, so it is Numpy works exponentially faster when compared to the Python list. Now we will move on to the installation of Numpy. If you have already installed Python in your system, just install the pip. Pip is nothing but Python package manager. So once this pip install Numpy, if you give in your system, so it would be successfully installed, and then you can successfully import the Numpy as NP. What are the advantages of Numpy? Numpy performs array-oriented computing. So it can effectively implement the single and multi-dimensional arrays, as well as it performs scientific computations, and it is capable of performing the Fourier transform as well as reshaping the arrays, and it has also the inbuilt functions for linear algebra and random number generation. Moving on to the last slide, the applications of Numpy. Numpy is used in our day-to-day in all aspects of emerging learning such as machine learning, data science, image and signal processing, scientific computing, and quantum computing. Thank you. In the next session, we will be seeing how the arrays are created and its attributes and array objects. Thank you.